Welcome to Sam Tech. In this video, we'll dive into the transformative role of modern machines in various sectors, showcasing how they're not just tools but essential drivers of progress and innovation. Let's explore how these incredible technologies are shaping the future of work and industry. Artificial intelligence (AI) is revolutionizing manufacturing by enabling smart production lines that adapt in real time. With machine learning algorithms, factories can predict maintenance needs, optimize resource allocation, and reduce downtime. This innovation not only enhances productivity but also drives down costs, giving manufacturers a competitive edge in the global market. Precision agriculture uses cutting-edge technology like drones, sensors, and AI to analyze field data and optimize farming practices. By providing farmers with detailed insights on soil health, weather patterns, and crop needs, these machines ensure that every seed planted yields the maximum possible output. The result is a more efficient, sustainable, and profitable agricultural industry. Advanced construction techniques, such as modular building and 3D printing, are transforming how we design and erect structures. These methods allow for faster construction times, reduced waste, and enhanced architectural precision. By leveraging these technologies, the construction industry can meet the demands of urbanization and infrastructure development more effectively. Medical imaging technologies, like MRI machines and CT scanners, have revolutionized healthcare by providing detailed views of the human body. These machines enable doctors to diagnose diseases earlier and with greater accuracy, leading to better patient outcomes. As medical imaging continues to advance, we can expect even more precise and personalized healthcare solutions. Automated logistics systems are the backbone of the booming e-commerce industry. From automated warehouses to drone deliveries, these technologies streamline the entire supply chain, reducing delivery times and improving customer satisfaction. Businesses that invest in automated logistics can scale their operations efficiently, meeting the demands of a rapidly growing market. Smart office solutions are transforming traditional workspaces into connected, efficient environments. Technologies like IoT devices, cloud computing, and AI-powered analytics help businesses optimize office layouts, reduce energy consumption, and enhance employee productivity. By adopting these smart solutions, companies can create a more dynamic and agile workplace. Clean energy machines, including solar panels, wind turbines, and energy storage systems, are crucial for powering a sustainable future. These technologies harness renewable resources to generate electricity, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering carbon emissions. By investing in clean energy, businesses can contribute to environmental sustainability while securing a reliable energy supply. Retail technology, such as AI-driven recommendation engines, augmented reality (AR) fitting rooms, and automated checkout systems, is redefining the shopping experience. These innovations offer customers personalized and seamless shopping journeys, driving sales and increasing brand loyalty. Retailers who embrace these technologies can thrive in the competitive retail landscape. The telecommunications revolution, driven by advancements like 5G networks and satellite internet, is connecting the world like never before. These technologies enable faster, more reliable communication and data transfer, opening up new opportunities for remote work, online education, and global collaboration. Businesses that leverage these networks can expand their reach and operate more efficiently. Food tech innovations, including automated processing lines, AI-driven quality control systems, and smart packaging, are essential for ensuring food safety and quality. These machines help food producers meet strict regulatory standards while minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. By adopting these technologies, the food industry can meet the needs of a growing global population. Mining automation, featuring autonomous vehicles, smart drills, and remote monitoring systems, is revolutionizing the resource extraction industry. These technologies enhance safety, reduce environmental impact, and increase the efficiency of mining operations. As a result, mining companies can operate more sustainably and profitably, ensuring a steady supply of essential raw materials. Robotic warehousing is revolutionizing inventory management with autonomous robots that can pick, pack, and move items with precision and speed. These systems reduce labor costs, minimize errors, and enable faster order fulfillment. Businesses that implement robotic warehousing can handle larger volumes of inventory and orders, driving growth and customer satisfaction. Textile industry advancements, such as automated looms, AI-driven design tools, and sustainable dyeing processes, are weaving the future of fashion and fabrics. These technologies enable manufacturers to produce high-quality textiles efficiently and with less environmental impact. By embracing these innovations, textile companies can compete in global markets while promoting sustainability. The EdTech revolution is transforming education by introducing technologies like AI tutors, virtual classrooms, and interactive learning platforms. These tools make education more accessible, personalized, and engaging, helping students achieve better outcomes. Educational institutions that adopt EdTech can offer a modern, effective learning experience that prepares students for the challenges of the future. The creative industry is being disrupted by technology, with tools like digital art software, 3D modeling, and virtual reality (VR) enabling artists to push the boundaries of their craft. These technologies allow for more experimentation, collaboration, and innovation, leading to new forms of artistic expression. By embracing these tools, creators can reach wider audiences and explore new creative possibilities. Fintech innovations, such as blockchain, AI-driven investment platforms, and digital payment systems, are shaping the future of finance. These technologies make financial services more accessible, transparent, and efficient, benefiting both consumers and businesses. Financial institutions that adopt fintech can offer more competitive services and expand their customer base. Entertainment technology, including advanced special effects, AI-driven content creation, and interactive experiences, is enhancing audience engagement across media. These innovations allow creators to produce more immersive and captivating content, attracting larger audiences and driving revenue growth. As technology continues to evolve, the entertainment industry will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this exploration of how machines are transforming industries and driving growth, don't forget to subscribe to Sam Tech. Stay tuned for more videos that dive into the latest technological advancements and their impact on our world. See you next time.